Blair Gilbert here for MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores. Here to show you real quickly how to dress a repair of some really rotten wood. Quite often in the hardware store here and in my repairs that we end up, we're in some really nasty rotten wood. But for one reason or another, we can't replace it. So we really are stuck with it. What do? We use a product called Wood Petrifier. This is a milky liquid, goes on clear. I'll squirt just a little out so you can see it. See how it goes on? It's kind of clear. So you brush it on the wood using a brush. It soaks into the wood that used to be spongy, or that is spongy. When this dries, this wood is going to be hard. The rot is going to be killed and stabilized, so that now this wood isn't going to rot anymore, it's not going to shrink anymore, and it's firm, it's stiff. Then I'll take something like a lot of products out there. This is one I'm just showing you that I like to use when I'm doing rotten windows. It's a Bondo wood repair, wood filler, and it's like Bondo. It's polyester resin. What's nice about this over regular car Bondo, which I used to use before I discovered this is a little softer and easier to sand. So after this dries, this is a waterborne filler, this will be dry in less than an hour. I can come back to my job site, mix up a little Bondo with the hardener and the polyester filler, and I can putty it in here. Again, don't make it stick out too much. It's even though it's sandable, it's not great to sand, so you do your job as neat as possible with your putty knife. Then when you get it in there and this hardens, you can sand it, paint it, and you've got a decent job. You didn't just put this filler on rotten wood, use the wood petrifier to stabilize the rot, so when you put in the filler, this repair could last years. And then after it's done, even though this is exterior and waterproof, you paint over it, you'd be all set. Quick, easy repair for a nasty job, but you don't want to just cobble it up and put filler and run. You want the job to last a long time. So kill the rot first, then fill it, then paint or do whatever you want over the top. It's quick, easy, outdoor, get you by job from MrHardware.com.